Everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a web application using .NET Core. So for that there are some prerequisites. You need to know basic C#, where you don't need this, even this one for the tutorial. So you need to have Visual Studio, and you need to have .NET SDK. You can source this thing in the Google and you'll get the download link for that one. For example, let's go here. So Visual Studio. My phone charge is running low. I need to check my laptop as well. Yeah. Visual Studio 2022 download. So from here, yeah, you can download it. Easy peasy. Okay. Down preview of Visual Studio from here. Community version. Yep. Download this one. That's done. And another one is .NET Core SDK. .NET Core SDK download. Okay, .NET SDK download. Latest one is 9.0. You can download anything because I'll tell you the technique to work on any one of the following. So for Windows 64, just do this one and download this one. It will take a little bit of time to install these two, so I have already installed these two in my PC. Now let's go and write Visual Studio code. Visual Studio, not code, sorry, Visual Studio. Okay, there it is. So create a new project. So easy. This is so easy. MVC app. Okay, this one, first one. Select that one. Go here. What will be the name of the application? Let's say the name of the application will be movies, because movies, what should I name it? Let's follow the documentation and let's choose the name from there. So what is it saying the name? Get started. Let's go here. Always follow the documentation, because this is where you will get the most up-to-date information. Get started, create a web app. Okay, this part done. Okay, so let's name the movie MVC movie, Control C, and then Control V. That one. Okay, put it in the same directory. Okay, doesn't matter. So .NET 0.8, I have also 6, 7, 8. You can choose any one of those and you can follow the documentation from here. So you might be wondering how I went to this page. I'll just show you. .NET Core documentation, that's it. Select the first option and then select this one, page focus with web UI with MVC. Go to the any of one of the option, then you will go to the page. Okay, so I'll just remove the old one. There we go, and you can follow it from here, from get started. Okay, tutorial, web app, Here we go, web app MVC. Get started. Okay. So here we will create a web app. So what I'm going to do, I am going to list some of the steps. Step 1, create a model. Okay, after that we'll go to the step 2 over here. This one, okay, create. This is our application. It will already create all the formatting and everything for us, so that we can directly jump onto the project. It will even create the model, view and controller. It will also create home controller. It will also create home view. If we directly start the application, after that we'll see the basic activation. So this is our application. See, we have controller, we have model, we have view here. So this is the easy part. This program.cs, it is used for seeding the data, and it can be used for routing. And this one, app setting.json, this will be used to put the connection string for connecting with other database or other APIs. For now, let's close this one and let's go to the model. Here we go, and add model are the classes. So we'll just add classes. So what will be our model name? So our model name will be movie. Okay, now movies will create a lot of, so here we go. So it will create a class like definition for us, namespace, that will just give the location of the file that we are working on. For example, it's inside the MC movie, inside the model. Okay, so this is the file we are working on. So now let's follow. We can do this one as well. We can load the session. Construct movies. Okay, we don't want that, we have already done that. So let's go here and write public, public string id, because this will be a primary key. And then see, you can see like Visual Studio is helping me to generate the remaining code. So this is the way that you can write the code over here. For example, now I'm not gonna write everything because we have limited time and I am here to teach the technique. So I'll go to the documentation, I'll go to the model. Here we go. Here is already pre-prepared model. They have typed everything over here. So I'm just gonna copy it. Here we go. There is nothing different here. This is the data annotation package which we can download or like install from here. NuGet package manager solution over here. We can search for packet and we can install them over here. So this is easy. This is easy peasy part. Like we already got this much package. We haven't got anything installed, but there is a hack. I will say it will be finished in no time. So now that we have created the model, let's start the hack. Now let's go to the controller, add, let's go to new scaffold item, and then common MVC. Okay, so MVC controller with views using entity framework. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay, the fourth one from the top. So it will create views using entity framework as well. Do I want to with action with read write endpoint? Which one should I choose? Let's go to the documentation. There are so many choices, so I will go to the documentation after the database. After the database, this is advanced. Let's search for scaffolding. SCA FOL scaffolding. Which pages? Okay, here we go. Open database. Now get started. Next data model. Okay, and we are going to scaffold the movie model, right? So let's go to the cancel. Let's go to the controller. Okay, movie is here. Let's see what the documentation says. Right click on the data annotation. In this section, the movie model is scaffold. Even the movie is scaffold. Okay. Now in this section, select the movies. Tutorial. And we see we are doing. We are looking at the different thing. And the model scaffold movie page. Yeah, we can do this from here. Go to the the solution export controller folder and add new scaffold item. So over here, go to the controller folder and add new scaffold item. That's it. And then what do we need to do? We need to do MVC controller with views using entity framework. Okay, so that's what I had started at first. Just need the confirmation. So now what happened? We need to choose a model. We have a model, right? Yeah, we will add a DB context, create a DB context, select the SQL server here, we will create the movies controller and add. Now this will create our controller as well as our views. So we'll create one more class here and finish it early, 14 minutes. Okay, I'll pause it for now. Now you can see in my bottom it was 5:14 when I started. Now 5:15 all the scaffolding part is done, and it created a movie controller over here. As you can see, it create a data folder with MVC movie context. Yes, if you want you can watch it under one time, and it also create a movie folder here, and it has created all of these files here. So now what are we going to do? We are going to launch the application. Let's. So application is running. Now it will be open on a local host 7016. Okay, it's here. Our application is here. What took place? So we'll just select our controller. Controller name is also movies. So this should give us this error because we haven't done the migration. So our app is ready. Now we got like controller, we got models, we got view, everything is here. Now we need to do the migration. For the migration, what I'm going to do is I will go to tool. I'll get package manager. This is the crash course, by the way. So the code for creating a migration is, you all know it. Maybe ChatGPT will be faster here. Create a migration in NuGet package manager, package console for .NET app. Okay, cool. Create migration, generate migration. Entity framework. Okay, we have that. Just give me the code, man. Right? I don't want to waste a lot of time of people who don't need to do that. Just this is the bullshit of ChatGPT. Okay, don't need to do that. Okay, so this is the code we wanted. Just need to paste it here. Okay, here we go. Now build substrate. After that we can do update U capital. Remember, update dash D capital database. So this is also done. Now if we run it, after that is done, yep, we can see our web application with the data. Here we go, slash movies. Okay, that is our table. So the haunting house, release date 2018, blah blah, I don't know anything else. 2018. Okay, so I'm gonna put the random date. 11 in the horror. Yep, I have done it before. Price 30. Great, and then it will be here, and we can see that data into the database as well. For example, let's go to view here, SQL data object, explorer, so SQL server. I'll call DB. There are two. I don't know which one is mine. Let's go with this one for now. Database. Okay. Movie context, we have two. Just open one. Let's check the data. Okay. View data. My PC is slow, not responding. So the haunting house horror 30 data is here. Now let me delete this data, okay? Because we are going to seed some data. This is fully functional. You can create, delete, edit, see the details, everything. And then what are we going to do is we are going to seed some data. So how are we going to seed some data? Good question. Let's go here. What did I say? We're going to use this one for seeding the data. So let's go to our documentation with it, and there has to be something here. Validation. Here it's already been seeded, so we'll go back from the bottom. Yay! From here, so see the database. We have it here. Let's copy this one. Says create a new class name called seed data in the Moodle folder. So we know we have Moodle folder here. See the Moodle folder. Add new class. Where is the new item? Here, new item. Class. What's the name of the class? Seed data. Seed data, okay. And then add. And now what we can do is we can copy and paste the whole thing. Where did I get this? I get it from here, right? So I've copy paste this one. Now this is the explanation of the code that is here. So we need to copy that one. Now add the seed initializer. Now add the seed initializer in the program.cs. Just copy this one. Go here. Where is the program.cs? It's at the bottom. Right? Oh, there is so many code. I don't care. First, save. Okay. So this one also save. This one also save. This one also save. This one also save. Now what should we do? This case is we can update our database, but let's try it without updating that one. Nothing is here, nothing. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go here. My bad. Let's run it again. I could have done it in IIS Express or something. It's running. No data, no data. Right? Slash movies. Yeah, we got the data here as well. Now we can also add more data. What was the title? Nothing else. House date. Just select this date. Easy. Change the order. Price. Select this one. Great. Okay, so this data is now added in the database. How to check it? Go here, SQL data object. So go to here. This was our database. View data. And we'll see all the data that is being shown at the front. Okay, so this is our CRUD application. You can create new, right? You can edit. Okay, for example, let's say when Harry Met Sally was not released on that day, it was released on 1st. Okay, so now Harry.real first details. You can see the details here. If there were many more details that were not shown, but in our case we have already shown everything. We can delete this one as well. Harry Met Sally, delete. Okay, so that has been deleted from the database. Now, how many minutes? 24 minutes.